In this video, we'll guide you through how to use PMI commands effectively.
There are several ways to access PMI commands, such as by clicking the icon from the Command tab or from the PMI View Management palette. Below is a list of commands that can be accessed from both locations.
Create PMI Base View. Create User-Defined PMI View. Create PMI Section View. Create PMI Step Section View. Edit User-Defined PMI View. Delete PMI View. Change current PMI View. Add product characteristics. Exclude product characteristics. End Edit PMI View. Create Edit Saved View. Delete Saved View. Display Saved View. Or by using the pop-up menu by right-clicking in the PMI View Management palette. However, some commands aren't available through PMI View Management palette. These belong to two categories: 3D drawing and evaluation.
Let's start with the 3D drawing categories, which are used in 2D drawing sheet files.
First is Place PMI View. It lets you place a PMI view on a drawing sheet using one of three options: Base View, User-Defined View, or Section View.
The position of PMI View on sheet file is automatically arranged based on selected view type, such as Plan, Front, or ISO 1.
Next is Change PMI Placement command. This command allows you to scale or reposition an existing PMI view.
And about PMI details like dimensions, text, and hatching pattern, those details can be transferred automatically when placing a PMI view. PMI views aren't traditional 2D drawings. However, once placed on the drawing sheet, they can still be output as shown in the example image. The Delete PMI View Placement command used to remove a PMI view from sheet entirely. Next is a group of beta version commands that were released in CADmeister 2024. Create PMI View command allows you to create either a base view based on the global coordinate system or a user-defined view where you control view direction. Collectively Create PMI Views command used to generate multiple PMI views at once. You can select view directions and decide whether to display entire objects or specific entities.
When Create PMI Views also for lower objects option is checked, and selected object head contains with subparts underneath it, it will automatically generate PMI views for those subparts as well.
Additionally, the details of PMI View will update whenever current object is changed.
Lastly, the Add or Exclude PMI View Objects command. This command is used to add or exclude target objects from specified PMI view.
As you see, that exclude object has disappeared from current PMI view.
Thanks for watching.